Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to draw this 3D object into AutoCAD 2024. So let's start. So I open two windows. You can open the window from view and here by horizontally or vertically you can click and you can open the windows. So we will go to home here. While 3D modeling, you should always here in 3D modeling setup. So let's start. We will go here in isometric southwest isometric view. And now we will create a rectangle here. It is 30 by 96. And we will extrude this one. Extrude is 12. And we will click here for conceptual model. So our basis model here. Now we have to create this rib, this one. So we have to change UCS. For that, you have to click here and select this front surface. Now we will create a line here in the middle, and here we have 13. So we will come here, press function F8 key to ortho on. So this way we have to come 15. We have to go up 34. And then we have 12. We will do it perpendicular. Now we have to create here arc of 66. We have to click on arc and select here start and radius. So we will select first point this one, second point this one, and give radius 66. So our arc is created now. We will make it a single entity by joining. You can click P edit and join this one. Now we will create this portion, upper one. So we will click here 20 up, this side 12, this side 20, this side 12, and this side 20. You can join by typing region, REG, or you go here and click on this one, join, select, and you can join also. But if you do with region, then it makes it solid. We will extrude this one down 20. And we will extrude this one 6. And now we have to create this rib, this one. So we have to change UCS, click here, this one, and now select this surface here. So I will create here 34 and this perpendicular. And now we have to create a arc. Go to here arc, click start and radius. Select here this one radius 66. We done opposite. Select this one and 66. So our arc is created here. Now we will move back to here and we will join this one to here. We can use orbit and we will draw a line this one to line here, here, and we will do it origin. So our this shape is also created. So now we will extrude this one. Click here extrude and enter 6. So our this front geometry is created. We will make a hole here. Now you have to click on circle, center diameter, and diameter is 8. We will extrude this one. We can subtract from this one to this one. So half of our portion is modeled now. So we will make a single these entities by union command. This is union. Select this one, and this one. Now it is single one. Click on UCS, change UCS here, and now we will do the mirror. And now we will create center portion here. We have to change UCS, click this one and select this front. We will create a rectangle here. And now here down 15, we will create circle diameter of 30. Instant we have to move this quadrant here and one more here above 15 and draw a circle here diameter 15. We will trim this one. Region command, we have to join these portions. So it is not created. We will delete these extra lines here. Region. This is created now. We will do the extrusion. Six. We have one circle here. Extrude this one, and we will subtract from this to this. So our model is created here. So this is different. You can make it by union command. Union, select, make it a single. Now this single one. So we will need some extra lines here. We will delete this one. And here we change the view, this one. You can change any color by applying here. Or you can apply the material also. We have material here. Type on MAT. So material property opens. This mat. So here we have libraries here, AutoCAD here in AutoCAD. You select anyone, but we will select for metal here. And this is the metal. And you apply the material. Applied material will only show when you are in the realistic model. You can change the contrast here. Go to visualize, select on sun here, and then you make it on here and use here custom background. And here you can change any background like gradient, then apply it will like this only. You can modify as per your own colors. We will choose to solid and we will change this color to white. Here you can adjust the exposure bright or dark here. So let's say this is a, you can, this is a polish one or and is black. We have here all type of material here. Let's say we have stainless steel here and you change this material. In this way you can apply different materials. Hope you understand what I use these commands for making 3D model. If you have any comment regarding this 3D model, please comment below. I will help your queries. Thanks for watching.